श्री मनाचे श्लोक श्लोका number 53 English translation and explanation. Sri Manache shlok were written by Samarth Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. सदा आर्जवी प्रिय जो सर्वलोकी सदा सर्वदा सत्यवादी विवेकी न बोले कदा मिथ्यवाचा त्रिवाचा जगी धन्य तो दास सर्वोत्तमाचा. The one who is always polite and is liked by all, the one who is always honest, truthful, and judges wisely, the one who never speaks anything which is false, is the blessed devotee of the Supreme God in this world. Some of the keywords used in this shloka are Sada means always, Arzavi means beseech, ask for or request earnestly, Priya means dear, Loki means amongst people, Sarvada means at all times, Satyavadi means speaking truthfully, Viveki means discriminating, Kada means ever, Mithya means falsehood, Vacha means speech, Trivacha means speaking with conviction. Sada Arzavi Priyazo Sarvaloki. Blessed devotees are polite and sincere. Arzav means sincerity, straightness. It also means asking for something very politely. Those who are very polite and straightforward will normally be liked by all. In the Marathi language, there is a saying, खायचे दात वेगळे आणि दाखवायचे दात वेगळे, which means the teeth which are used for eating the food, the molar teeth, are different than the ones which are visible when we smile, the incisor teeth. This phrase is used for people when they are saying something which is very sweet and appears polite, but that is only to portray themselves as someone who is good, kind of hypocrites. What they will actually do will be completely different and not aligned with what they portray themselves to be. Blessed devotees are not outwardly straightforward, but they are sincere from their minds, their heart, their speech. Sada Sarvada Satyavadi Viveki. Blessed devotees are always truthful. Viveka means discretion, which means the trait of judging wisely and objectively. When someone is selfish, they will always look for that which ultimately is beneficial to them. They will be biased in that sense. Even when they know something is not true, or someone is not mentioning the truth, or when someone is deceiving, they will support those people if that is going to benefit them. Speaking truth only a few times does not make someone truthful. Blessed devotees are opposite of that. They are always truthful. They are always behaving wisely. They are unselfish. They are looking for the advancement of all in the society. न बोले कदा मिथ्य वाचा त्रिवाचा. Blessed devotees never support falsehood. Blessed devotees are those who will never speak falsely. Trivacha means saying something three times, saying something with conviction. It is human nature to get fooled by confidence. Someone who is extremely confident will have an immediate impact on others, even when they are telling lies. Saying something with conviction does not mean it is true. Blessed devotees will never use such tactics and will never tell lies. सदा आर्जवी प्रिय जो सर्वलोकी सदा सर्वदा सत्यवादी विवेकी न बोले कदा मिथ्य वाचा त्रिवाचा जगी धन्य तो दास सर्वोत्तमाचा. If you liked this video, feel free to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.